Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to find out and remove app website link with your Instagram account on your Android phone. So for this guys, first you need to open the Instagram app on your phone. After opening, in the bottom right side corner of your screen you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it. From here open the settings. In the settings guys, scroll down, go to security option. Okay, in the security option here you can get the option apps and website. Just tap on it and here you can get the all list of apps and website link with your Instagram account. If you want to remove it guys, from here you can easily able to remove it. In my case there is no app and website link to my Instagram account, that's why there is no active apps is showing in this screen, as you can see guys. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.